Hey guys, this is going to be a quick one, I think. Just wanted to talk about this guy. I got a cutting of a Peruvian apple cactus. I'll show a picture of the mother plant that this cutting came from at the nursery. They can get enormous, totally huge. And this guy, this is a huge cutting. It's going to take like a week or so to callus over, I think, because of that wound. But once it goes in, I think it's going to start taking off rather quickly. Other cuttings that I've had, like the nopales, have really taken off recently. And I've been wanting to have more cactuses that'll produce fruit for a while. So when I found out that I could get this one, then I was very interested in doing so. Because a lot of cactuses produce fruit, and they're all quote unquote edible, but they're not all tasty necessarily. So I was interested to add this one to my collection. So this will be cool. I think it's going to be a little while before we start getting fruit on it, but from what I've read, they're supposed to taste a little bit floral and have a bit of tartness to them. So I am looking forward to that. And they are a sizable fruit as well.